In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video to your email and GetResponse. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process, ensuring you can easily integrate a video into your email marketing campaigns with GetResponse. Let's dive in. First, log into your GetResponse account and head over to your dashboard. Once you're there, locate and click on the Tools option. You'll find it on the top navigation bar, which will lead you to a variety of options. Among these options, you'll want to select Email Marketing. This will bring you to the email marketing section where you manage your newsletters and campaigns. Next, click on Create Newsletter. You'll be presented with two creation options. Here, we're going to choose the By Myself option as it allows for the most customization. After you make that selection, you'll be prompted to enter a name for your newsletter. This could be any descriptive title that fits the content you're planning to send. Before proceeding further, it's important to double check that your email address is correctly entered, and think of an engaging subject line for your email. Subject lines are crucial as they often determine whether your email will be opened, so make it catchy. Continuing on, you'll have the option to add recipients. Clicking this will show you a list of your contacts, and you can select the appropriate list for this newsletter by clicking Add. Now your email is ready to be sent to your chosen recipients. Now, let's add that video. Start by clicking on Attach File and then Add Files. If at any point you decide to use GetResponse's design message option instead, feel free to click Cancel. For our purpose, we'll proceed and click Close to move forward with the manual design. Next, click on Design Message to start creating your email. You'll want to use Template, which provides a variety of layouts for your email. Find one that suits your content style and select it. In this space, click on the Video option from the Editor sidebar. Here comes the exciting part. Select the video section and paste the video URL from YouTube or Vimeo directly into the available field. This integration allows you to share vibrant content directly through your email. After entering the URL, click Go to pull the video into your email draft. Once you're satisfied with your email's design, click on Next to proceed. You'll see options to either schedule for later, which is perfect for planning your campaign ahead, or send immediately if you're ready to launch it right away. To finalize everything, click on Send Message to distribute your email to your audience with the embedded video included. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to seamlessly add a video to your email using GetResponse. Following these steps will help make your email campaigns more engaging and interactive. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.